Yo guys, what's going on? It's time for gaming here. Pretty much. That's my sister. I'm going to the Knack for Bonfire night. So this will be a 2-day convenience. I'm on the wall, by the way. This will be a 2-day convenience vlog because my sister's on the party because she's moving out. Oh happy days, oh happy days. I'm messing, but yeah, this will be a 2-day continuous vlog. I've said this twice now, but today will be the Knack with Matchcraft 25 and maybe the Bulldog. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. Well, see you guys in the car or at the Knack. Peace.
Pack it in. Tom, write your name on it.
Skinny jeans, no man. No, not wearing skinny jeans, I'm wearing joggers.
He's getting here. Hello, March 25.
Hey, now we're gonna kiss for the camera.
Say thank you. You wouldn't known about this one for me. By the way, this won't be on my channel, just on his.
Just on mine. Look at me.
I'm bang bang snappy. How would you do a snappy list up in bright shining words?
We should book camping chairs. If I come to this next year, I'm gonna bring camping chairs, I reckon.
I was. You're not allowed to sit on a camping chair. Even if it's your chair, they'll charge you for sitting on it.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
not even anyone who works there yet.
Praise the Lord for the 99p burger.
Oh, that's a smiley face.
Oh, I didn't get it in time, did you?
Look, if you look there, you can see them. That's all the fire's getting ready to start. Another smiley face, but that one's looking over there.
That was a love
That was a love heart. And it looks like I'm sure.
Vladimir Putin. We must flank Vladimir Putin for this. Actually focused.
Yo guys, I had so much fun with Matchcraft 25 tonight. Ultimate shout out to him and his dad. I'll put in Matchcraft 25's name in the description. So if you guys want to go check him out, please do. This will be, well, the first part of 2 parts of the thing. I'll put them all in one video, obviously. But I think let me check what time it is. It's like 9ish now. So I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not going to bed like but yeah. As always guys, please stay tuned because